Are you tired of the bright light mode in Gmail and looking for a way to switch to something more comfortable for your eyes? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk you through the steps to turn off light mode in Gmail on your PC with the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to gmail.com. Once you're on the page, you'll see your inbox filled with all your important emails. Next, look for the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This icon represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on it to open a drop-down menu. In the menu, you'll find various options. Look for the Themes section and click on View All. This will take you to a wide array of themes to choose from. Once you're in the Themes section, scroll down until you see the dark theme. It's sleek, modern, and gentle on the eyes, perfect for late-night email sessions or bright environments. Finally, select the dark theme by clicking on it. You'll immediately notice the change as Gmail transforms into a darker interface. Enjoy the new look, and that's it. You've successfully turned off light mode in Gmail. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.